Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best ATV heated grips are probably one of the most sought-after accessories for ATV riders who enjoy the thrill of off-road adventures even during winter. These heated grips and thumb warmers not only provide essential warmth to your hands and thumbs, but also significantly enhance your riding experience by reducing fatigue and improving control, allowing you to focus on the trail ahead rather than the biting cold. This video will explore the top-rated options available, helping you choose the perfect heated grips to conquer the cold and elevate your ATV adventures. Number 5. NoCry Handlebar Muffs. These handlebar muffs are made from a durable fabric, perfect for harsh winter conditions. They'll keep your hands warm, dry, and comfortable on your snowmobile, ATV, or motorcycle. Stay warm even when temperatures plummet. The soft inner lining feels incredibly cozy, and they're comfortable in a wide range of temperatures. These muffs fit comfortably over your gloves without hindering your control. A handy waterproof pocket lets you access your phone easily. With plastic trim and EVA foam padding, they provide support and comfort without being stiff. This design minimizes interference and maximizes comfort. They fit over your mirrors without blocking your view. They're ideal for various vehicles, ensuring safety and convenience. What we like. If you ride in harsh winter conditions, these are perfect for keeping your hands warm and dry. They're extra wide to fit over gloves, and a waterproof pocket is a great bonus. If you prioritize protection from the elements above all else, you should consider this product. What people say. They're a great quality and function as described. Just fitted these again this winter, they do a great job of keeping my hands warm. So good in fact, that I can use my summer riding gloves with them. By deflecting much of the airflow around your bars, rigid handguards offer a first line of defense against wind chill, allowing you to wear lighter gloves in milder conditions, or your winter gloves down to about 40 F4C. For the price, seemed worth a shot to try the NoCrys. They do fit over my handguards, well enough if not perfectly. With the drawstrings loose and the zippers open, I can just work these muffs over the grips handguards, which support their shape once they're in place. As for warmth, they do the job nicely. I haven't tried them in below freezing temps yet, but at 40 F4C I find my winter gloves overkill inside these muffs. Now even in winter I can ride all day with my medium weight gloves giving me more dexterity and feel for the controls, and I don't need my grip heat. Number 4. Tusk ATV Heated Grips. Keep your hands warm and comfortable on those cold rides with our new heated grips. They're easy to install and designed for ATVs with thumb throttles. These grips are designed for a simple and secure installation. No more struggling with loose or uncomfortable grips. It's important to note that they are designed for ATVs with thumb throttles. They will not work with twist grip throttles. Please check your ATV's throttle type before purchasing. With a 7/8-inch inner diameter, they fit most standard ATV handlebars. Ensure compatibility before purchase. Installation is a breeze. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy setup. You get 2 locking molded grips, a 5-mode heat controller, and a complete wire harness. Everything you need for a comfortable ride. For even more warmth, consider our compatible thumb warmer, sold separately. It seamlessly integrates with the grips for ultimate hand comfort. What we like. These grips are simple to install and designed for ATVs with thumb throttles. They provide direct heat to your hands. If you need a simple, effective way to add heat to your ATV grips, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to install and are very durable. They get very hot on the high setting. Works great and husband is happy he has warm hands again. Easy to install, can only run them on settings 2 or 3 because they get too hot on 4 or 5. Number 3. EVGATSAUTO Heated Grips. Say goodbye to freezing hands. These grips will keep you warm and comfortable all winter long, so you can focus on the ride. Find your perfect temperature with the easy-to-use 3-setting switch. Customize your warmth for ultimate riding comfort. The textured surface provides a superior grip, keeping your hands secure and safe, even on the slickest roads. Made from high-quality, corrosion-resistant plastic, these grips are built to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. Quick and easy to install on most motorcycles with 22mm handlebars. Everything you need is included in the box. What we like. With 3 heat settings, you can customize your warmth. The textured surface provides a secure grip. If you value adjustable warmth and safety features, you should consider this. Number 2. 215047 ATV Heated Grips. Keep your hands warm and comfortable on those cold rides with our new heated grip kit. It's easy to install and fits most ATVs. This kit is designed to fit all ATV makes and models with 7/8 handlebars. No more cold, numb hands. Enjoy independent temperature control for both the grips and the thumb warmer. Customize your warmth for ultimate comfort. With a maximum of 45 watts of power, it delivers effective heat even on the coldest days. Stay warm and ride longer. Everything you need for installation is included in the kit. Get ready to enjoy those winter rides. Simple installation process means you can get back to riding quickly. No special tools needed. What we like. These grips offer independent temperature control for both the grips and the thumb warmer. They're easy to install and fit most ATVs. If you want separate temperature control for maximum comfort, this is the one for you. What people say. Warm up fast and turn right back on the same setting as when they were turned off. Almost too hot on the hottest setting, but it is good to know there is more heat available if you ever need it. Very high quality and easy to install. They definitely keep your hands and throttle thumb nice and toasty during cold rides. The thumb warmer can get pretty hot, so make sure to adjust it to your needs. The installation is fairly simple as long as you have some basic tools. Easy to install. The ground wire for the battery connection is too short. It would be nice if they supplied shrink wrap for the Scotch lock. I tested the warmers out at -6 Celsius, keeps my hands and thumb nice and warm, easy to adjust temperature settings. Number 1. Kimpex 937160 Grip Heater Kit. Keep your hands warm and comfortable on those cold rides with the new Kimpex Grip Heater Kit. It's easy to install and provides adjustable heat levels for customized comfort. Installation is a breeze. It pushes right onto your 7/8 handlebars, no adhesive needed. Get back to riding quickly and easily. This kit features a dimmer switch, allowing you to precisely adjust the heat to your preference. Find the perfect warmth for any condition. The included thumb warmer provides extra protection from the cold. Enjoy complete hand and thumb warmth for ultimate comfort. Designed specifically for ATVs, it ensures a snug and secure fit on your handlebars. Experience superior warmth and control on your ATV adventures. You can trust Kimpex for quality and reliability. This grip heater kit is built to last, providing years of warmth and comfort. What we like. These grips are easy to install and come with a thumb warmer. They offer simple, reliable heat for your hands. If you're looking for a straightforward and easy-to-use solution, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Easy install. I recommend cleaning and using a little petroleum jelly on the bars and then tap on with a rubber mallet. The thumb heater does get hot. 2 options here: place the pad on the back side, which works good, or put in a resistor. I like the variable turn dial for the heat controls. Bigger grips than stock, but I prefer this. It wasn't too hard to install these. I'd say the hardest part was finding a good power source. After that, easy. They've been on for a couple years now and have had no issues. The grips do heat up very nicely. If it is bitterly cold out, not sure if they will get hot enough. As others have mentioned, the thumb warmer gets extremely hot. I installed on the back side of the thumb throttle. Next, I took a strip of tin foil to wrap all the way around the throttle and heat pad. Tin foil is very good at distributing heat, so that should help bring heat to the front as well as the pad heating the entire throttle lever. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.